How to export all emails from Outlook. First, open your web browser and head over to Microsoft Outlook website, or you can launch open the Outlook app on your laptop or PC. Then click sign in and enter your email address and password. Then sign into your account. Once you're on the Outlook dashboard, note that the new Outlook interface does not support exporting all emails at once. You must export them one by one. Go to your inbox and open the email you want to export. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the email. Select Download from the drop-down. Choose the format, EML or MSG. The email will now download to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Repeat these steps for each email you want to export. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.